Just found out I'm getting a good income tax return. So ladies, that's the time to hit your husband up for a vacuum. So I just sort of threw the idea out on the couch the other night. My husband went to research. He does his research. He really, really does. So we end up buying this INSE or INSE. I'm still not sure how to say this. Who cares? It's what we have bought and what we're going to try and show what we've learned, and it's product review. And we are at a friend's barbershop, and there's this gross little mat here, and I thought we'd start with that, seeing how it works on the gross little mat. Oh, to make it longer, which makes sense since I'm bending over. Woohoo! That wasn't bad at all. Okay, let's give it a try. Your face, which is okay, this is a mat where things sort of get stuck in. To really get this out, you really, I don't know. I'm not really giving it a great review on that. So we're gonna try other things. Here, we got a few things we wanted to try. We want to try around the edges underneath this heater. And we'll try a few things here, and then we'll see where that goes. Okay, just push, and there it goes. It's not heavy, this thing, but it's not light. You know, there's some weight to it. Oh, look at the amount of dirt that just went in there. Oh my God, look at that. Okay, it's deceptive. Okay. And just, this is the 2-in-1. I guess it goes like this and like this. So we're gonna try now, and we're going to go and do here. It's a barbershop. There's a lot of hair. Okay, let's make this smaller now because I don't need it quite that big. And this is where the INSE 6 is, which is what this is. Oh, there's different options. 1, 2. Okay, so there's different heights you can do. We're gonna put the hose on. We're gonna bring the hose with us, but we're gonna try this. Okay, here's the little edge here. Ready? Ooh, that works good. Not really, look at that. Oh, that's nice. Okay, that's a visual. Okay, let's do, okay. I wanna do this little edge here. Ooh, that works nicely. I forget about the button. I keep pushing the button. That looks nice. Okay. That's pretty good. That's pouring pretty well. That's I would like to get underneath. Are you still filming? I would like to get underneath this heater. So I'm thinking maybe we'll use a little. Okay, that comes off. I'm afraid because this thing is so light. Don't do that. Why is that not coming off? With the green, with the blue part up. Click it in. Oh, by the way, this extends quite a lot. Okay, now we're going to put the. Why does this not seem to be right? I'm afraid to drop it. That's my issue. Because I'm used to having something being pulled behind me that weighs 20-30 pounds. So it's a learning curve getting used to this. So this is supposed to be the one for the floor, and you have to push this little doodad over here. See the doodad? Pull it up. And then this little section pops out. Kind of interesting that they have a lot of long hair, considering this is a barbershop for men. Okay. Yeah, that one goes on that side. In. Sorry, with the glasses, you always have to get things at an angle. Okay, that's glued in. Okay. And that goes in. Are we going the right side? Yeah, that's right. Got a little thing here. Electrical thing there. Okay, that glues in. Let's take the hose off. That's good. Okay, and then this one also. Okay. Let's give it a try. Move nicely. Okay, let's try to get a few rocks. I don't want to break anything. Okay, it goes nicely under here with no problem. Rolls up. Let's take a look over here. I think this will be good for keyboards. Ooh, that might look much better. Keyboard! That's what I'm going to use this for. Keep hitting the button, understand? The other advantage of this INSE or INSE or whatever the hell it's called, S6, is it has a large capacity for the dust. The other thing, it has suction, very high suction, and it's also highly rated with the battery. I would like to add a few more qualifiers to a vacuum from the women's point of view. It has a small footprint. I'm going to be attaching this to behind my door, and this is the space it's going to take up in my apartment. Plus, I have a bag. Where did I put that bag? That's my big bag. This is the footprint, and this is the footprint in my apartment. This is where I'm going to put all the attachments. That's my other factor, footprint factor. The second factor is I have no problem cleaning, and I like cleaning. With the vacuum, it's the pulling out and getting it going. It's the drudgery factor. And I have no problem cleaning. I love cleaning. It's very satisfying for me. But it's just the pulling. I will show you later. I have an old vintage Singer and a cheap Walmart. And the vintage Singer, I swear it's 30 pounds. We'll measure that later. Or weigh that later. So I'm sort of liking this machine. Visually, it doesn't look like it got a lot out of that mat at the beginning, but it did get a lot out. So I would like to now, we've done like a little practice, we've done edges, we've done doors, we've done underneath the radiator, we've gone from the floor to the mat. I would like to try and get this off now and figure out how to do that. I have no idea. Okay, my husband tells me you push this button. There's a hinge here. I don't want it in my face. But I don't know if you can see the amount of goop and hair. Oh, that's impressive. Okay, let's see if it falls out nicely. No, never that easy. Oh, it comes out. It's coming out. Here, I got it out. Let's use that little rag there. Okay, I'm not, okay, normally I would just take a rag and do this, but it is not that bad taking it out, and it is a lot of dirt. It's meant to be held underneath the top. Awesome, nice. Okay, so my husband just popped this out. This goes on the inside. I guess it can, but it's sort of a cloth material that I won't right now. And this can get washed. It's sort of like a hand mixer thing. And then here, this is what it looks like inside. I'll remove these two. My husband wants to use a little brush, sort of get an idea of just clean this. This is very dirty in Canada with the winter. If you don't have to deal with winter, I guess you have to deal with other things, but it's the gravel and the snow and the dirt and it is very dirty, especially in the city. Cities are dirtier than the country, by the way. Okay, well that's nice. So let me see if I can put this together again. So you just pop, keep it going. Keep going, please. Okay, there's two little grooves there. Okay, and that one in nicely. It's in. Okay, you have to click it till it goes click. You have to click it till it goes click. Okay. Okay, well, my husband will do it. He's been watching the videos. Okay. Ah, there's a lock and an unlock. That still means nothing to me. No. Not clicked. Lock and unlock. So it's here. Oh, see, there's a little arrow inside. Little arrow here. Unlock, lock. Okay? Click. Good. Okay, so also another thing I want to show you quickly. Also, where to go? We have been vacuuming for a good 20 on low and high. Got 3 here. Now it's got 2. I think this relates to the battery pack where it's at. So I think it's got like 2 whatever left. Okay.